Saint Francis Xavier, the great Catholic missionary for Indonesia. Hello dear friends, greetings to all of you. I am Yohanes Christian Ponomban, coming from the parish of Saint Francis of Assisi, Makassar. I am preparing myself to join the famous Seminarium Severianum Kakaskasen in Manado. On this nice occasion, we would like to share with you a great saint for Indonesia, that is Saint Francis Xavier. Saint Francis is one of the 7 founding members of the Jesuits, founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola. He is renowned for evangelizing in many parts of Asia. He was born on the 7th of April 1506 in Navarre, Spain. He grew up at his family castle, and in 1525 he went to the University of Paris in order to become a priest. In this university, he met with Ignatius of Loyola and later became his follower. After 12 years of studying, he was ordained a priest on June 24, 1537. He spent 3 years preaching and caring for the sick in Italy before he was called to go and evangelize in India. He arrived in Goa, India in 1551. He arrived in Goa, India in 1549 and stayed for 3 years. Then he went to the southwestern coast to baptize about 10,000 of the native people. Later, he decided to go to the Malacca to spread the gospel there. Then he went to the Moluccas, known as the Spice Island in Indonesia. It is Saint Francis Xavier that brought the Catholic faith to our Nusantara Islands, our beloved Indonesia. There was a famous folklore about Saint Francis while he was in these islands. Once upon a time, he was sailing and they faced a very bad storm. They were in danger of death. He blessed the stormy sea with his crucifix and then he threw it into the sea. Dear friends, do you know what happened? The sea suddenly became quiet and they sailed safe and sound. As he reached the harbor and went down to the seashore, he met a crab holding the crucifix that he threw into the sea. Then Saint Francis Xavier took the crucifix from the crab and blessed the crab. Until now, there are crabs in these islands that have a sign of the cross in the back of their shells. He went to Japan in 1549 to preach the gospel there, and he established a community there. In late 1551, he left Japan to become the superior for the Jesuit province of the Indies. He then planned to enter China, but at that time, China was closed to foreigners. While he waited to gain permission to entry in Sanchen Islands, China, he unfortunately caught a fever and then died at the 3rd of December 1552. During his 10 years in Asia, he has baptized more than 30,000 people. He was canonized by Pope Gregory XV, and in 1927, he was made co-patron saint for all missions with Saint Therese of Lisieux. So, what can we learn from Saint Francis Xavier? Well, we can learn to have a strong desire to spread the good news and to be ready to bear all the difficulties in whatever place we are, especially on remote islands. Think of the word of Jesus, "Follow me and will make you fishers of men." Saint Francis Xavier teaches us that we should believe in Jesus. Jesus who calls and sends us is the same Jesus who will accompany us. If you face a difficulty like a stormy sea or a stormy life, put on the crucifix and He will save you. Thanks for watching. I pray that Saint Francis Xavier bless all of you, especially all the seminarians in Seminarium Severianum Kakaskasen, Tomohon. See you there. Saint Francis Xavier, pray for us.